Good day, students. Okay, this is for MCB 211 L17. Okay, so that is my last lecture that I'm going to give to you, and then you have to go through all my lectures. Alright, and here I'm going to tell you how do we calculate now from these dilutions that we make. How are we calculating how many bacteria is in the original sample? And I'm going to give you an example here. Let's say in 10 minus 2, there was too numerous to count. We discard that one. We discard it. 10 minus 3 gives us 320 colonies. Remember that we're going from the viewpoint that one bacteria is producing one colony. Okay. And 10 minus 4 dilution gives us 28 colonies. 10 minus 5 gives us 0. So we cannot use 10 minus 5 and we cannot use 10 minus 3. So, do you agree with me that the reciprocal of it is 320 times 10 to the power 3? Okay. And the reciprocal of 28 times 10 to the minus 4 is 28 times 10 to the power 4. Let me show you how you can calculate it quickly with your head without using a calculator. Do you agree that 320 times 10 to the power 3 is the same as 3,2 times 10 to the power 5? Do you agree with me that 25 times 10 to the power 4 is the same as 2,8, 2,8, and this was 28, 2,8 times 10 to the power 5. Add it up, it gives you there 6 times 10 to the power 5. Divide it by 2, it gives you 3 times 10 to the power 5 bacteria per mole. Now, let me tell you, there is disadvantages to this technique. And let me tell you, what is the disadvantages? It is, thank you, Jeanette. It's a pleasure. Thank you. I enjoy. I just received a cup of coffee here, ladies and gentlemen. What a nice idea. Okay, let me tell you what is the disadvantages of this technique. You know, we incubate these plates aerobically. What about the bacteria inside there that wants to grow anaerobically, microaerophilic? So we miss out on them. We grow the bacteria, that agar plates is at a pH of 7. What about the bacteria that wants to grow at pH 2 or pH 11? We're missing out on them. What about the bacteria that cannot use nutrient agar as a medium? Okay, so we miss out on them. For that reason, this bacteria per mole, actually, we say colony forming units per mole. CFU per mole. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this was my last lecture to you. And assessments, I'm still waiting for management to come back to us. How are we going to do assessments? Thank you very much and enjoy microbiology. The whole world is talking microbiology. President Trump is talking microbiology. Our own president is talking microbiology. Your community is talking microbiology. We're all talking microbiology. What am I saying? You are studying a very important subject and make the best of it. Bye-bye. Siyabonga. Salagaasli.